numbers. So Mapao Basi, where are you? Where are the fans? Make some noise! A big round of applause for the Mapao team. So come on, itong katong pang famous Cersei. Another round of applause for the local team. So SINAKEITHEI Basi, come on, let's see your hands. Bangkang kami salo. That's the spirit. Palak delay, lumlawlak delay. Final team huddle sadari. Quarterfinal. Last team kajibasin na quarterfinal kanikle kaji. Hili thay uray. Mapao Zingtun, Mapao Zing. Oh! First goal, first blood. Goalie bazlam masungda type salake ke kulas line jawrle. Masatu kuidla. Goal zangai re. SINAKEITHEI wibang goal. Account so hai re SINAKEITHEI Basi. Score sheet li 1. Yui khwai ke je team ke tongoi endeavor name talakai throw in thorinson na her sang nei dibok sang sugi je oh ke ka khamenai thalake hey Jihanring with the second goal. He is on a brace now. Second goal for the match. Jihanring kula mahilangin jawrle. Jihanring win nganai sok ball hi long clearance. Nazarite lipadle. Nazarite to Pata again. Sorry, Janwi pass nganai sok nai ke rahor mawasung rang lakai na clear saro direct. So Jihanring ball khiliga 3-on-1, 3-on-1. Still Jihanring matalakai suraka attempt saya. What a goal! What a goal! Yavo Mapao goalie bazina tukhui hai ball lakte rui ja jabadong nganai ge sok nganai situation hi dangerous alage jer lodong matalak hai clean header raingam likhipan la mark masa sathuwe Mapao tamai lu jin lei Mapao tuisin sweeper na khuigit lei matalak hai chipa ka jiwajang na dibox tang sung hai rai ka goalkeeper no timing ji ho another goal gamaning maglay dum vertic naying not too clear. Nam khang rok we offense a khe le hawi jhere. Free kick for Mapao. The box Samsung is here. Goalie lo sang here. Oh! Rahor of Mapao. Equalizer. Mapao i Rahor na equalizer a sambangai re. Goalkeeper bazin ball timing reach sang mi gai ga dala. Phaning a race situation. Race situation ne through ball aga kulas line na jarle SINAKEITHEI with defense would How did you waste a 3-goal lead? Eternal questions. 3-0 in a lead. Asina Ray by Club, the lucky is ne. Mapao na use a cup. Mapao we wang bonus ne. Matalake comeback victory in Sare. Kilikita Mapao na use a cup. Lang so by luck. 3-0 in a lay salula is in a Yuki. Now thought was on the curtain. How by achievement ang sari. Goal kick taken. Line back here controls how we find honadle. SINAKEITHEI winger. Left wing in the rally. Jihaning cross go headed out. Temerisang we shot still cleared out. Still kept out by the Mapao defense. So counter offensive launch honadle all the way to the goalkeeper. Making no mistakes. Benison signaling. Chihog sang ball he midfield kan sang the Mapao players being not samang delay. Yarshim nang pai kita kesana ke back to the SINAKEITHEI half again, all the way to the goalkeeper. SINAKEITHEI right out number 6 Torin Soli. Pass hirada and ball he signaling. Long chip agan Nezrite supply sa kita kesana. Flicking header, Nezrite still cross. Oh! Jihanring Matalakai cross, Matalakai finish. 4th goal for the match. Nailed by